What's happening, Master Blend Nation? You know it's about that time to bring the magic with the 2023 recap. We got the year started with the magic man, Mr. Chad Blackwater of Stoveside Chats. And then we went out to Jacksonville, North Carolina to do a commemoration of Dr. Martin Luther King. Mr. 365. Shout out to Take the Stage NC. And then we went down to the pit to get a lunch together for a nice panel discussion at North Carolina State University. Hey yo, welcome to Kubota country. Down in Charlotte, North Carolina, the Carolina Barbecue Festival was a hit. Then we made our way down to Pinehurst, North Carolina to do some cooking demos at the Pinehurst Resort. And I know you guys have already heard the Pinehurst Barbecue Festival was a big success with my man Chris Prado. Sending a big shout out to all of our sponsors. Then the Master Blend gang went out to Rockingham Motor Speedway and served up 4,000 wings. Shout out to the Master Blend gang for pulling this together. Yeah, baby, let's work. Then we made our way down to the North Carolina State Fair to get on the cooking stage with Got the BNC. Afterwards, we made our way down to Southern Pines to be a celebrity judge for a wing competition. Hey, Paul, I owe you for this one. Add a check in the box for the Festival d'Avion down at the airport. And then the Master Blend gang was announced as the headliner for the Council of State Government reception, giving a great experience of agriculture for the state. Shout out to the Master Blend Nation. Thank you guys so much for the support. And that's the 2023 Master Blend wrap up. In the meantime, in between time, you guys make sure you take care of yourselves and each other. All gas, no brakes, 365, turn up.